Hey friends, this is Priya here. I welcome you to the channel and I'm here to show you the recipe of avial, one of the main dishes of any Kerala Sadhya. Let's look at the ingredients. Radish 2, coconut 1, beans 6, drumsticks 3, carrot 1, potatoes 2, yam small piece, yellow cucumber small piece and raw plantain 1. Wash all the vegetables well and slice them into long slices as shown in the photo. Arrange all the ingredients as you see in this picture. Now take a wide mouthed vessel and arrange the raw plantain, yam, potatoes, carrots in a layer. Above this, the other vegetables can be arranged. Now pour very little water, about a small cup of water. Add turmeric powder, close and cook. Now I've added the turmeric. I'm adding the salt now. You can add the salt according to your taste and stir the vegetables. The second layer of vegetables that we added, like the radish, the yellow cucumber, the beans and all these things, they are having water content in them. So that's going to also give out some water. That's why we are using very little water here. So as you do this, please check that there is sufficient water and cook. After 5 minutes, I am opening this. Now I will just stir it and let's check whether the vegetables are cooked. Although I don't see that they are cooked, I'm checking it once to see how much more we need. It's just half cooked as of now. So let's my water content is a little less, so I poured another about half cup of water. It should be just sufficient to not char the vegetables, and I'm again closing it to cook further. Meanwhile, in a mixer, I have taken some coconuts and the green chilies. Now I'm adding the cumin seeds to this and let's grind this to a coarse paste. Now this should be the consistency, like it should not be watery and it should not be very soft paste. It should be a coarse paste. Just make sure on that. Now I'm again checking. It's almost about 10 minutes since I closed the previous time. So now the vegetables look almost cooked. I'm adding the coarse paste to this and let's mix it well. I'm just taking out whatever little coconut paste was left out. Yeah, so we are good to go. I'm stirring it and mixing it well so that this is going to be the masala we are adding. So there's not much masala here, it's all coconut paste. So mixing it well. Just allow it to boil. Just one boil will do, because if you boil it for a long time, the coconut's taste will go away. I've added few curry leaves that we had taken and I am again stirring it. The vegetables are well cooked and the aroma is already coming out of the dish. Just keeping it half closed. In about a total of 25-minute cook time, this is avial. Now I've added, kept the stove in sim and I've added the 1 cup of curd that we had taken, mixing it well. And the last ingredient of the day would be the coconut oil. Put off the stove and pour the coconut oil into it. Stir well and avial is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.